Ananı sik.
What?
I'm gonna your mom.
Why?
This flag.
What's wrong with this flag?
There's no place, man.
Why does it make you angry if there's no place? What are you gonna say now?
There's nothing actually.
You got angry, but there's nothing.
Bro,
It must be something for you to get angry.
you are not heaven country. You guys are actually Arabic.
It's really.
There's no language Kurdish, bro.
So just to be clear, Turkish as a language has borrowed words from many languages, including
Nah.
Arabic, Persian, and some European languages over time. Kurdish, on the other hand, is its own ancient language with its own history and words.
No. He's
You're
lying, bro. You
getting-
trained him. Now you become a Turkish people, bro.
No,
You are Turkish.
I'm Kurdish.
No, you are Turkish.
I am Kurdish.
Just accept it.
I will never, ever, ever, ever accept it.
It says, sorry, Indian. You are Indian, bro. You are 100%
What?
Indian. Kurdish belongs to the Indo-European, Indonesian. Indian. Not Indonesian.
It says Indo.
Bro, Indo's Indian, bro.
Indo is not Indian. Indo-European. This is a language group.
Kürtler Hindistan'dan mı geliyor? Cevabı da İngilizce var.
Kurds are not originally from India. They are an indigenous
fuck.
people of the Middle East.
She's lying.
I programmed your phone, didn't I?